How to use Quora for driving traffic to my website. People ask this question a lot, but don't worry, CREL is here to answer this question. But first, please like and subscribe to my channel. Do you want to increase traffic to your digital marketing website? If so, then Quora is an excellent platform for driving traffic to your website. Here's a step-by-step guide to using Quora to drive traffic to your website. Step 1. Find relevant questions to answer. Use the search bar to find relevant questions to answer. You can also use Quora's topics feature to find relevant questions to answer. Step 2. Provide helpful and informative answers. When you provide helpful and informative answers, people will be more likely to visit your website. Make sure to include a link to your website in your answer so people can learn more about your business. Step 3. Be active on Quora. The more active you are on Quora, the more traffic you'll generate for your website. Make sure to answer questions on a regular basis and participate in discussions. Step 4. Promote your website on Quora. You can promote your website on Quora by including a link to your website in your profile and in your answers. You can also run Quora ads to promote your website to a wider audience. Follow these steps and you'll be able to generate traffic for your digital marketing website using Quora. Thanks for watching.